Hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fiona here from Letters by Fiona, and today I'll be sharing with you how to paint gouache floral patterns. This specific design will be used as thank you cards for my customers who have made a purchase through my Etsy store. Follow my tutorial to create your very own easy hand painted cards. First off, let's paint a 5-point flower. You can start in the middle of the flower and work your way up to create a small semicircle with a brush stroke. Repeat on the other side to form a petal. Feel free to turn your paper around to complete your flower. I find this the easiest as you can just simply rotate the paper while keeping your hand steady. Keep painting these flowers as much as you want all over your page, and a handy hint is to use a star shape to form your flower. Next step, add other types of flowers using a different colour. I used a mustard yellow here, and this is one of my favorite colours, to simply draw circles and fill the centre. Add these circles all over your page and then use a dark blue to paint lines around the circles. These are then your petals for another type of flower. To fill up the space that is in your pattern, you can use different other shapes and different colours to make your painting look more fuller. So in this case I used a banana shape like pink pattern, or you can call it a rainbow like pattern or semicircle like pattern, and this can then be painted all over the painting to fill up your space. I want to make mini cards, so I cut the art piece into two. And here we have an easy hand-painted and hand-lettered card, perfect for a personal touch to any gift. Thank you again so much for watching, and feel free to like, comment and share this YouTube video. Thanks again everyone, bye!